In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Wix. To get started, open Shopify and look at the menu on the left side. From there, click Buy button and then choose Create a Buy button. This feature lets you generate a piece of code that you can place on your Wix site so customers can view products and complete purchases through Shopify. Next, choose Product Buy button. After that, select the product or collection you want to display from your Shopify catalog. Then click Select. This is the item or group of items that will appear on your Wix page, so make sure you choose the one that fits the section of your site where you plan to place it. Once the item is selected, you will be taken to the customization area. Here you can adjust the button style, layout, colors, and checkout behavior. This is an important part of the setup because it helps the Shopify Buy button blend in with the look and feel of your Wix website. Try to match your site design as closely as possible so the shopping experience feels consistent and professional. This copies the Shopify embed code that you will place into Wix in the next part of the process. Now log in to Wix and open your site in the Wix editor. Navigate to the page where you want your Shopify product or collection to appear. In many cases, this will be your shop page, but you can place it on any page that makes sense for your layout. On the left panel in Wix, click the plus icon to open Add Elements. Then go to Embed Code, find Popular Embeds, and select Embed HTML. This will add an HTML box to your page. Position that box where you want the Shopify content to appear. After placing the box, click Enter Code. Paste the Shopify code snippet into the field, and then click Update. Wix will load the embedded Shopify Buy button inside that section of the page. If needed, adjust the size or placement of the embed box so it displays cleanly and fits well with the rest of your content. Finally, click Publish to make the changes live on your Wix site. Once published, visitors will be able to interact with your Shopify product or collection directly from your Wix page. That covers everything you need to know.